Welcome to WebStarPlus. In this video, I will show you how can you convert a design from Figma to HTML. To demonstrate it, I have created a simple design in Figma. I'm using Poppins font for this example. From the left, you can see the design is inside a frame. We have some text, rectangles, and layer groups. To convert this design into HTML, we need a plugin. From top, click on Resources icon, select Plugins tab, type Figma to code. Click on this result. It will open as a pop-up. To convert this design into HTML, make sure to select HTML tab in pop-up. Select Optimize Layout and Layer Names options as well. Then select Full Frame of Design in Figma. As you select the design, plugin generates output preview and the HTML code. Copy the code by clicking Copy button. Open an HTML file, paste the code in body area. Save. And here is the result. We used Poppins font. To apply that font, go to Google Fonts website. In search, type Poppins, select the font, click on Get Font button. Click on Get Embed Code. Then select Embed Code by clicking this Copy Code link. Paste the code in a head section of web page. Save. And here is the updated output for the HTML. It's quite similar to the design. Figma also generated class names from layer names in the design. As you can see, this text layer has got a name, txt-caption, and this WSP-card, BTNs, and so on. So these layer names have been used as class names in web page. We have inline styling that can be fixed by copying these styles and applying in CSS file along with relevant class names. This ability to have the initial code without typing it is so powerful. You can get the design from your designer and copy the code from the design directly in this way. This is really easy and quick way to generate HTML from Figma design for free. This technique works best on custom design that follows some basic standards. You see, this design follows simple design pattern and each layer has a unique name. If you're gonna take any Figma design from internet and convert it into HTML, that may not be converted into proper HTML. So please keep this in mind. Make sure there are less nested layers and each layer has a unique name. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.